My name is Camila Ruiz Segovia. I'm originally from Mexico and I have a bachelor's degree in political science from Brown University, and most of my experience is working with civil society. While growing up in Mexico, there was a huge rise in human rights violations resulting from the confrontations between the army and drug cartels. In this context, I began working with the families of the missing in an effort to document the human rights violations they were experiencing. It was at this moment that I became interested in the field of transitional justice. I wanted to learn about the type of mechanisms available in order to provide reparations to these families. So this is why I decided to apply to the Geneva Academy's Masters in Transitional Justice and Human Rights. I think one of the strengths of the program is that it has an interdisciplinary approach. So we have classes in law, philosophy, anthropology, and other fields. I think this is valuable because the huge task of moving away from the past, which is what transitional justice seeks to do, cannot be really tackled through a single discipline. I think that another strength of the program is the diversity of the student body. So we have representation from over 25 nations. To me, this is really important because it means that I can learn from my classmates, particularly for those who already come from countries that have already implemented some type of transitional justice. In terms of my plans for the future, I do hope to go back to Mexico. There are nascent efforts to try implement transitional justice measures, particularly in the context of this rise of violence. So I think that the learnings that I acquire here at the Geneva Academy are going to be really useful, and I'm going to be actually able to implement them. I do think that this program is great for any person working in civil society or the government who is interested in how to address conflicts and violations and what to do in order to, build more peaceful societies afterwards.